In this video, we're going to talk about how to format mobile numbers in Excel. Here we have some mobile numbers. However, we don't like the format. So what we need to do, first we select the cell and under Home tab, go to the number tools, click on the drop down menu, and here go for number. Here we have 2 decimal points. We want to remove the decimal point. Go here, decrease decimal, click again, number is formatted. If you don't like the format, then go to the number again, go to the drop down menu again, scroll down at the bottom, find more number formats. Under the category, select special and type, select phone number, press OK, number is formatted. If you want to use a customized format, like you want to format this number like this number, then we need to use a function which is called text function. We, like other function, text function start with a equal sign, press equal, write text, start first bracket. We want to format this cell. This cell is A2 cell. Press comma. Now put the quotation mark here. First we want 2 digits together, that's why we put 20. Then we want a hyphen, then we want 5 digits together, then we put 50. We want a hyphen. Now we want 3 digits together, put 30. Now we want 682, 3 digits together, put 30. Close the quotation mark, close the bracket, press enter. See, all the numbers are formatted according to this format. If you want to change the format, first, if you like 880 together, put 0 here, and then after hyphen you want 4 digits together. See, that's how you can format mobile numbers in Excel. Just identify the type, identify the format, and use text function. That's it. Thank you for watching.